It's day 5 of our trip and we are here at Paradise Country. There's a tractor ride over there. We are stuck inside the photo center. As you can see, it is raining heavily here. We just booked a koala encounter to take pictures with the koalas, and Nikki has got a Zappo bag with all those candies inside. So waiting for the rain to stop and then we can go and have some lunch. Somehow we have just managed to run and come into the restaurant area. It is overcrowded right now, which is very much expected, and it is also lunchtime, so let's see what the menu has for us today. And Nikki is so busy with all her junks.
But that's fine.
Very lucky girl. Here never.
Okay.
I'm gonna try steak burger with koala.
I'm having that too.
Somehow this restaurant has a farmhouse look, which I'm really enjoying. That is what I'm saying. It has a farmhouse kind of look, which I'm really enjoying. Actually, they have this farm stay also over here, like exactly like we are doing at SeaWorld Resort. They have it over here too. You can come and book your stay in here for your holidays and enjoy the farm animals along. And now we are in the tractor for a ride.
Excited. Because I've never been in a tractor before.
Okay, exactly. It's a tractor ride. It's a tractor ride.
It's good. Otherwise, so cool.
Nikki, go. Nikki, go. Go. Oh, it's running away.
And that's the end of our day here at Paradise Country. It was raining too much, so we couldn't go around much. But we saw some koalas, kangaroos, and guess what? We took a picture with the koala, and I'll show you all the picture. Nikki carried it like a small baby. It was a really cute one, very soft as usual, and according to Nikki, it was trying to chew her dress, but she's super proud of herself. So after coming back from Paradise Country, we are back again in Seawall. We thought we'll explore some more rides over here, but it is still drizzling, so let's see if we can explore or not. Yes, Nikki. How are the churros?
So good.
What about you? It was good. Yeah, your favorite, Nikki? And what else are you having? A bucket full of popcorn.
I'm gonna go down now.
Neil and Arindam has gone to the bus again, but we skipped it because last time we were feeling, me and Nikki rather, was feeling very dizzy in this.
Spray can bottle.
After having some more fun at the SeaWorld Park, we are now back at Surface Paradise beachside, and we are visiting a restaurant called El Camino for dinner, Mexican. We are at El Camino right now. I don't know if you can hear me or not. We have ordered some Mexican food tonight. The vibe over here is excellent. Like, it's very happening over here. And as you can see, they have given us this hat. So I'll just show you all around the place. So these are our nachos. The kids have ordered some chicken tortillas, lemonade for Neil, and the rest of the food is coming, and I'll show you all around.